Hello viewers, I Vinod Kumar Chauhan welcomes you in my YouTube channel CQ means Chauhan Coaching Classes. In our today's video, we are going to explain case third when two adjacent sides and three angles are known. It is the question number 1, part 1 of exercise 4.3 in which the given measurements are MO equal to 6 cm is already written here. OR equal to 4.5 centimeter, angle M equal to 60 degree, angle O equal to 105 degree, angle R equal to 105 degree. So there are three angles and the measurement of two adjacent sides are given. On the basis of this, we are going to draw the rough sketch for the quadrilateral more. We draw MO equal to 6 centimeter. This is our M, this is O, 6 centimeter. This is M point, this is O point. From this O point, we are going to draw angle O equal to 105 degree. 105 degree, it is 90, it is 110, it is 105 degree. This is O line. Then OR equal to 4.5 centimeter. This is O. Now you open your rounder 4.5 centimeter and draw one arc on this ray. This is the angle of 105 degree. And you draw one arc of 4.5 centimeter. It gives you the point R here. From this point R, now you draw one more 105 degree angle. It is like this. Again, it is the measurement of 105 degree. Now, angle M equal to 60 degree. So, from the point M, draw one angle of 60 degree. Increase this. It intersect your previous arc at E point. And this is your angle of 60 degree. It is the rough sketch for the quadrilateral more. Pair diagram for the quadrilateral more is step number 1. Draw a line segment MO equal to 6 centimeter. So first we are going to draw the MO equal to 6 centimeter and an angle of 105 degree at point O. This is O, and from this point we are going to draw the angle of 105 degree. With the help of rounder, we are going to draw the angle of 105 degree. So first we are trying to draw with the help of rounder. First we put the metallic point here and draw one arc like this with the help of rounder. Then after we put our metallic point on this point and draw the first arc without changing the distance, and then the second arc without changing the distance. Like this we are going to draw the two different arcs. Then after we put our metallic point on this intersecting point and draw one more arc and one arc from this point like this. This gives you the angle of 90 degree. Point to this is 30 degree because from this point to this 60 and from this point to this 60, and the half of 60 is 30. So it is 30. Now we are going to draw the half of this distance. We are going to draw one arc from this point like this and one arc from this point. Now it is this gives you the angle of 105 degree, and we draw here 105 degree with the help of rounder. Again, in our second point, as vertex R is 4.5 centimeter away from vertex O, cut a line segment OR equal to 4.5 centimeter. This is O. Now we open our rounder 4.5 centimeter and draw one more arc on this particular line. This 4.5 centimeter. It gives you the OR equal to 4.5. This is O. This is your R. It is 4.5 centimeter away from the O point. Now this point R, again we are going to draw the same angle of 105 degree with the help of rounder only. We are using the rounder only. So again we put metallic point here. We draw one arc like this, this, from this one, again from this point one more arc, and then we join this is. And then after from this point and this point, one arc from here, from this point, one arc from this point. Then we join this also. It again gives you the angle of 105 degree. Now the third point, again draw an angle R equal to 105 degree. It is R equal to 105 degree. Draw angle M equal to 60 degree. This is our M point, and from this point we are going to draw one more arc. Again we open our rounder on some distance, that is very less, and we draw one arc like this. And from this point we are again drawing one more arc. It is the angle of 60 degree, and we are going to join this. It intersects the previous arc at E point, and this is our angle of 60 degree. Let this ray meet the previous drawn ray from R at point E. This is our E point. So this is more is the required quadrilateral. It is MORE.